How to add YouTube video to Google Slide. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add YouTube video to your Google Slides, and it's very simple. The first step is to open up your Google Slides, then select the presentation that you would like to add the YouTube video to. So after selecting the presentation, you will be brought to the presentation page. Okay, so on this page, you can see by the left side, you can see your different slides and all of that. The next step is for you to select the slide where you want the YouTube video to be located. So for me, I'm working with my slide 8. This is where I want to add the video to. So once you're on this page, so once you've done that and you're in your Google Slide, next step is for you to go to your Insert tab, click on Insert, and the options here is Select Video. So let's select a video. You can see the first option here. The two options here are YouTube, Google Drive. So ensure you're on the YouTube um option, and then once you've done that, the next step is for you to go to the search box and then paste the URL or the video that you'd like to insert. Then click enter, and then you wait for it to load. All right, so ensure that you use a valid URL or you get the correct URL. You can search for it again, but if you cannot find a matching result, you can just go ahead and recopy the URL of the video, or you can just type out the title of the video. For example, if it's a video about a particular phrase, you can just type it out, and then videos based on that particular word that you typed out would be displayed, as you can see on my screen. All right, you can see it here. So you can just go ahead and select the one that you want to add, and then move to the bottom right corner where you can see the insert option. So click on insert, and then you wait for a while, then the video would be inserted just like that from YouTube. And then you can now go ahead and customize it. Okay, select when you want it to play, or when you want it to start, when you want it to end. All right, if you want to mute the audio, you can also do that. Then you can select the size of the audio. All right, how do you want the audio, the size, and all of that, the position? Just go ahead, play around all of this, okay, until when you get your desired results. And then you can also change the position. Okay, you can like, you can just do it the way you want. Just ensure that it suits your purpose. All right, and then once you've done that, it will be saved automatically to your presentation. So this is how you can insert video from YouTube. Very easy. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.